Hi, this is Don Robinson again. Getting ready to submit my Hexagon robot. Moving along this Hexagon here, I'm going to actually have him to go ahead and do what he needs to do first. The program has some loops that's going to allow my robot to follow the Hexagon line and actually try to get back to the original starting point. For my robot, I actually had him to loop 6 times in the programming. That was to make it so that the first initial time is going to be the first time is going to go into the sequence, and then the additional 5 loops will help it to get back around the 5 different lines that were remaining after the first initial start. The pattern that I did see emerging between the number size and the shape typically is with the reason I have mine to loop is I try to get them back to the original starting point, but typically the loop is going to be, the pattern is going to be 1 less than the amount of actual lines or loops that you actually want to go, just because the initial loop is going to be repeated over and over. And if you repeated the amount of sides that you actually have, then it's actually going to loop more than the actual amount of time that you want. If I were to try to loop to draw a regular 12-sided shape, then I would have 11 loops. It would loop 11 times because the initial time would loop 11 more times after the initial time. Thank you.